Hello and welcome to the StrottSHOW. My name is Michael Garrell, Vice President at Strottner Designs, your San Antonio based boutique marketing firm that can handle all of your inbound marketing needs, your logo and graphic design, your website, your SEO, your social media management, and so much more. I'm back today to talk to you about kind of a strangely passionate topic of mine. It's your Google business profile. If you have a local business, and you don't have your Google business profile set up, then you don't actually have a local business. You have something where people might be able to find you if they happen to trip and fall into your shop or practice or whatever else you're offering. So, if you don't have your Google business profile set up and managed actively, then you should probably contact us because we can do that for you. Or you should pause this video and go set it up right away. In the meantime, we're going to talk about 10 things people should do to have a successful Google business profile. Let's get after it, shall we? Having a strong online presence is essential for local businesses, and Google Business Profile is one of the best tools to achieve this. Honestly, it's like 50-50. Website, SEO, Google Business Profile. It helps businesses appear prominently in local search results, increases visibility, and drives more customers to their physical location or online locations. But simply creating a profile is not enough. You need to actively optimize it to make the most of it. So we're going to explore 10 key strategies to ensure that your Google business profile is successful, attracting more local customers, boosting your overall visibility on Google search and maps. 1, and this is simple, claim and verify your Google business profile. The first step to a successful GBP claim is to claim and verify your business on Google. By doing this, you assert ownership of the profile, which allows you to manage it effectively. How do you claim it? Go to the link that I'm going to include in the show notes and enter your business information. How do you verify? Google will prompt you to verify your business, typically by mail, phone, or email. Claiming and verifying your profile builds trust with potential customers and ensures your business appears accurately in local search results. Unverified profiles have limited features and lower visibility, so make sure you do this. 2. Complete your business information accurately. An optimized GBP starts with complete and accurate business information. Google uses this information to match your profile with relevant local searches. Include key details, such as your business name, address, and phone number, also known as NAP, name, address, phone, your website, your business hours, and service areas. You can add additional categories related to your business and ensure you're appearing for a broad range of searches. And regularly update your information, especially if there are changes in hours, location, or contact details. The more complete your information, the better your chances of showing up eventually in the Google Local Pack, the 3-pack. Now, select the right business category. Your primary business category is one of the most influential factors in determining your profile's visibility. Choose the primary category that most accurately represents your business. For example, if you run a pizzeria, your primary category should be pizza restaurant. Your primary category should not be mozzarella sticks and pasta. Add secondary categories that describe additional services you offer. This is where mozzarella sticks can come in, or Italian restaurant or food delivery. Selecting the right categories improves your ranking in relevant searches, making it easier for customers to find you. Remember, everything we're talking about is about making it easier for customers to find you. 4, write a compelling business description, everyone's favorite, writing and talking about themselves. But a well-written business description can make your GBP stand out and communicate your brand's value proposition. Use up to 750 characters to describe your business, focusing on your services, unique offerings, and the reasons customers should choose you. Include relevant keywords naturally within your description to enhance SEO. For example, if you own a bakery, we use a lot of bakery examples. Your description could be, at Sweet Treats Bakery, we offer freshly baked goods, including cakes, pastries, and cookies made with organic ingredients. Visit us for special events or daily cravings in the heart of downtown. 5, add high-quality photos and videos. Visual content is a powerful tool for engaging users and increasing your profile's appeal. Google states that profiles with photos receive 35% more clicks than those without. Upload high-quality photos of your business, products, services, staff, and interior or exterior space. Consider adding videos that showcase your services, behind-the-scenes moments, or customer testimonials. Make sure your images and videos are optimized. They're the proper file size and format to load quickly and look professional. Encourage and respond to customer reviews. Now, reviews are a crucial element of your GBP, influencing both visibility and consumer trust. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews by asking them politely, as opposed to the abusive, hey, please leave us 5 stars or else. but ask them politely via email, text, or in person, and respond promptly to both positive and negative reviews. Thank customers for positive feedback and address any concerns raised in negative reviews professionally and courteously. A good review strategy can lead to higher rankings and improve trust among potential customers. Utilize Google Posts to engage customers. Google Posts allow you to share updates, events, promotions, and news directly on your profile. You use it to, promote upcoming events, special offers, or highlight a new product or service, and include images, a call to action, learn more, call now buttons are available, and relevant keywords to enhance visibility. Add your list of products and services. Your profile will let you showcase your products and services directly on your listing. List your top products and services with descriptions, prices, and photos. This not only helps in better visibility, but also lets customers know exactly what to expect before visiting your store or website. Providing detailed information can enhance user experience and drive more inquiries or foot traffic. Use Insights to track performance. Google Business Profile provides a built-in Insights tool that shows how customers interact with your profile. Insights can reveal data such as the number of views, searches, clicks, calls, and direction requests your profile receives. Analyze this data to understand which aspects of your profile are working well and where there's room for improvement. By tracking your performance, you can easily identify trends, optimize your listing further, and make data-driven decisions to increase engagement. FAQs. We wrote a blog post about FAQs this week. If you head to the Strottner blog, also known as the style sheet, you can check it out. The FAQ section of your GBP, acronym heavy, hey, allows you to address common customer inquiries directly on your profile. Add FAQs relevant to your business, such as opening hours, available services, pricing, or booking information. Answer customer-generated questions promptly to maintain an updated and helpful FAQ section. A well-maintained section can save potential customers time and improve user experience. And now it's time for the conclusion. Everybody loves conclusion time. Here we go. Optimizing your Google Business Profile is a critical strategy for local SEO success. By following these 10 steps, you'll not only improve your GBP's visibility and engagement, but also attract more customers and grow your business. Remember, a well-maintained GBP builds credibility, drives more traffic, and enhances your overall online presence. Take action today and start reaping the benefits of a fully optimized Google Business Profile. If you'd rather have us do the managing for you, we are glad to do so. Email us today at support@strottner.com or contact us through the contact form on every page of our website. You can also run an SEO audit using the free tool. Well, also on every page of our website. So what are you waiting for? Grow your business today, and remember that at Strottner Designs, our business is to grow your business. I'm Michael Carroll with Strottner Designs. Thank you for hanging out during this video today. Hope you found it informative. Look forward to hearing more from you. Feel free to leave a comment below, comment or question. We'll always look forward to those. And I will see you at our next StrottSHOW. Between now and then, everybody, remember to be good. And if you can't be good, definitely be careful. I'm Michael Carroll. Have a great day.